These are the top 5 hardest pieces I played in college. Now at number 5, we have Robert Muchinski's 7, and I played the 4th piece from the set. Now this piece is not terribly difficult to play, but it definitely stretched me technically at the time. Now at number 2, we have the Beethoven Sonata Opus 28. Now again, this piece is definitely not terribly difficult technically, but the interpretation is very, very difficult. Now at number 3, we have Moskowski's 15 Virtuosity Studies Opus 72, and I played number 6. Now this piece is definitely quite challenging, mostly being that it's incredibly fast. Now at number 2, of course, is a Chopin Etude, and I played Opus 25, number 2. Now this is probably one of the easier Chopin Etudes, but again, because it's so incredibly fast, it's actually quite difficult to play. Now at number 1, we have the Mendelssohn Piano Concerto Opus 40 in D minor. Now I'm specifically referring to the 3rd movement here, which is freaking difficult. It may just be one of the hardest pieces I've ever played.